Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Yes, don't be that guy who talks about risk after the market has fallen down. I think the Nifty and the Sensex want to help me launch my online course on goal-based management by falling about 1.9% this week. If you're scared about this and if you're scared, how will I achieve my corpus if such things happen 5 years after I invest, 10 years after I invest, or 5 years before I need the money, then this course might be of some help to you. So this is launching on the 9th of January. Between 9th January and 12th January, there will be a 60% off early bird discount period. So how do you register? Let's talk about that first. I will send you an email on the 9th of January. People who are email subscribers to freefincal, they don't need to do anything. They will automatically get that email. And those who have signed up in the Google form, they will also get that email. If you have not signed up for in the Google form, you can do it in the description or in using the link in the description or the first comment. You don't need to do anything. Wait for the email on the 9th. Add pattu at freefincal.com to your contact list so it does not, my email does not end in spam. And so between 9th January, when I send the email until 12th January 11:45 p.m., the price will be kept at 1030 rupees. This is a one-time fee. There's no recurring fee. This is a one-time fee. After that, the price will be 2570 rupees. There is also a one-time fee, but it will be there. I will not offer any further discount on that. Those who are outside India can join by paying $20 US, and after that, after the early bird discount window, the price will become $32 US. The links for everything will be sent on the 9th of January. You need a Facebook group to view the course. The online material will be in the Facebook group. I will send you the link to the Facebook group. When you click join, you will get a question asking what is the email you use to purchase the course. You have to enter that email. I will verify the email with my records and then only then grant you access into the group. If you do not have Facebook group, I would strongly suggest you get a Facebook group with a separate ID so that all your private details are not exposed. You don't need to worry about that. Just for this, get a Facebook group because you will miss out on the discussions. The other option is YouTube members only videos, but that will come with a recurring fee of 29 rupees, which is the lowest as of now. But that option is currently not on. If you choose the YouTube option, you will not get the early bird discount. So I would strongly suggest you do not opt for the YouTube option. Anyway, it's not ready. I'm not launching that yet, and that will not have the early bird discount window. So all that is fine. The course is about, I will be talking about how to set up an asset allocation strategy and how to vary it so that the target corpus, our target corpus at any point in time does not deviate too much from the expected corpus and the risk is minimized. So that's the essential idea of the course. Those who wish to protect their money from market crashes, those who are worried about sequence of returns, market crashes, and advisors who want to efficiently manage client portfolios should attend the course. And those who are about to retire or are retired and interested in portfolio management, that is equity allocation, fixed income allocation, should attend the course. Please note, retirees especially, there will not be discussions on how much to put in fixed deposit, how much to put in senior citizen savings scheme, and all that kind of discussions will not be part of the course. Please I want to make that very clear. Don't buy something that you do not understand and then crib later. I am not responsible for it. So people who blindly believe in the power of the stock market, people who are overconfident, should not attend the course, and people who have very poor understanding of what a financial goal is, what is inflation, what is return, and so on, they should not attend the course. This course is not for them. And I will not be covering how to select and manage mutual funds. I will not be covering how to select and manage stocks or any other financial instrument. Don't expect that and attend the course. You will not get anything from it. I will only talk about how to minimize portfolio risk using efficient asset allocation strategies. That is all. They're not foolproof strategies, but we will talk about what has worked in the past more often and less often. So we will be providing the factual evidence. You will have to decide what is suitable for you. Without this factual evidence, you cannot choose. You will be choosing only on hearsay, and most of it is wrong, as we will prove in the course. This is the basic course and advanced course. This is an essential course. If you're asking if there is math in the course, no, there is no math or formula in the course, but there will be charts and plots which you have to understand and appreciate. You have all the time. Once you join the course, as long as you are in the group, the videos are yours. You can watch it any number of times. Don't need to worry about that. So you have all the time. Can newbie sign for this? A newbie who is not looking for a ready-made solution can sign for that. A newbie who is interested in learning, is open-minded, they should be able to appreciate the course. Anybody can appreciate the course as long as they're open-minded. And we will only talk about asset allocation strategies, and that's important to keep in mind. I am an advisor. Should I sign up? I am fairly confident the material covered in the course will not be found in any kind of textbooks that are around or certification courses. So, if you are open-minded to learn about goal-based portfolio management, then you are welcome. Does the course include investment advisory? Will you help me choose suitable products? No. Don't come there in the group and ask for best mutual funds. You will be thrown out. I'm very clear on that. I don't want such people. Will you provide a refund if I'm not satisfied? No. There are no refunds. Please read the FAQ, understand, then buy. What am I paying for? You are paying only for watching the videos. That's all. Any other discussions that come in the group are all incidental. They're not part of the payment. You can't say, I have paid for the course. You have to make this video as per my suggestion. No, I have no such obligations. No one has any such obligations in the group to answer anybody's questions. What are the do's and don'ts in the group? Naturally, no self-promotion, no asking specific investment advice. I am 30 years old, I am having mutual funds in XYZ. Please tell me what you think about my portfolio. No, such questions are banned. They'll be deleted. No, there's no room for such people. This group is for DIY investors. So you can ask for clarifications, general investment strategies, discussions, all that's fine. General discussions are fine, but don't ask for specific investment advice. That's not allowed. You will have to be civil and polite and courteous. If you're not, you will be thrown out. There will be no refunds. And once expelled, you can't come in, even if you pay back. Even if you pay again, you can't come in. So this seems like an advanced course. Will I understand it? Can I see a sample? Yes, you can see a sample. I already have a course, a video on how to reduce risk in a portfolio. This link is available within this article link. I'll leave the article link. Look at this sample. If you understand what I'm saying, if you appreciate it, then you should be able to follow what I'm saying. Vinay, I wanted to know, you already talked about it. What else is there in the course? We're going to go beyond this and we're going to find out if this actually works, how efficient is this, and are there better strategies, and what happens after retirement, and so on. Why does this course have a fee? Because it will be a small barrier for irresponsible freebie seeking pseudo DIY investors. If this course is so-called next level stuff, why is the fee so low? I don't want to charge such a high fee that the true DIY investors who are in the lower tax slab, young people, I don't want to tax them. So that's why the fee is kept low. And is this the one-time fee or recurring fee? This is a one-time fee. This is not a recurring fee. I don't want that. How many videos are there? There are like 10 plus videos. As of now, I uploaded 8. I will have to upload a few more. I will do it before Thursday. About 2 hours, maybe more than that, will be there. Each video will be about 15-20 minutes roughly. It depends on. Sometimes they are shorter also. Will there be exercises? As of now, there are no exercises. I have to understand the audience much better. Then only I can devise exercises. It's fine. Your site should not be called freefincal anymore. It should be called paidfincal anymore. Ha ha ha. Laugh out loud. Please go ahead and call it. See if I can. All right. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. So